Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go into a little bit of a deep dive about what is the best way to make money online for you based on what your goals are, what your personality traits are, etc. So if you're ready to explore new possibilities, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. So let's get into it. First and foremost, if you're super creative, freelancing might be what's for you. Now, freelancing can be anything from making YouTube thumbnails, doing SEO work, doing email list creation and management, doing AI art. There's a whole lot of things you can do. And you can, of course, use Fiverr, Upwork, or similar websites to put yourself out there and get yourself clients. Affiliate marketing, of course, is another big one. This is what a lot of my content is about because I am an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is great because basically you're getting paid to talk about things that you love anyway. I would say it's important if you become an affiliate marketer to make sure that you are marketing things that you believe in and not just everything that falls into your lap, because it'll help build your credibility if you're only promoting 1, 2, or 3 things that you really, really believe in that have really helped you versus 100 things that you've probably never used. If you're looking for something a little bit more risky, e-commerce is a good way to go. Shopify stores, things like that, drop shipping with Amazon, all these things can be done. They usually have a little bit higher buy-in than the other two that I talked about, but it's a good way to make money. Of course, if you're a great storyteller, content creation is your game. I personally love content creation. However, the ways to get paid for content creation are ever evolving. So it's important not to only rely on one platform or one form of content as a moneymaker. There are many ways that you can do it, such as blogging, videos, the performance bonus on Facebook, things like that. So there's a whole lot of ways to make money with your content. You just gotta know where to look. And of course, you can combine your content with affiliate links and double your income. If you're an educator, of course, online education, there's a lot of people that are turning to YouTube University versus regular universities. There's a lot of people learning digital marketing from simple, somewhat cheap courses. And there's a lot of people learning other skills, DIY type things within whatever niche they're looking into. So online courses can be great if you are a subject matter expert. There's plenty of different softwares that you can build courses out on. You just got to look for them. Beyond that, though, let's talk about the different online business models and how you choose. So if you're not really wanting to put yourself out there and have to live in the DMs and live on your phone, which is one of the issues that I had when I first started affiliate marketing, then Facebook and Instagram may not be for you. The reason I say that is because Facebook and Instagram do rely pretty heavily on you interacting as well as people interacting with you. So if you are not one of the people that likes to actually interact on social media, if you just kind of go post your thing, scroll for a few minutes and then call it good, probably not gonna be best for you. And also, if you are not wanting to, like I said, deal with DMs from strangers, it's a little bit different from comments, because comments you can easily just, scroll through, block whatever you want to do. But when it comes to messages, it's a little bit harder. So if you're not into the DM game, if you're not into really talking to a lot of people that you don't know, I wouldn't recommend going the Facebook or Instagram route. It just would not be a good fit. YouTube, of course, is another great way to start making money. If you got something that you're passionate about or know something a lot about, again, education or hobby type stuff, YouTube is great. I do videos about making money online, different tech that I like. I've got 2 different podcasts that I'm running off of this channel. And then I also have my Ice Wellness subscription that is bundling into this channel as well. So there's lots of different things that my one YouTube channel could hit. Now, it's not necessarily as niche down as maybe some channels are, but there are other channels that are a lot more broad as well. So if there's something that, like I said, you're an expert in, or you want to educate people in, YouTube is great. The comments can be a little overwhelming if you're not prepared for the amount of negativity that can be on the internet. But usually once your channel gets going and you get more and more followers who are actually into what you're talking about, the troll comments really quickly get blocked out by all the positive feedback. So YouTube is great from that perspective. It's also great because it's a little bit longer form, and then you can break your longer form up into shorts, which is something that I do pretty frequently as well. And then for me, those shorts auto post to my other Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, etc. accounts, just to keep me visible on all platforms. That's an easy way that I can repurpose videos if you're looking at all social media. Faceless YouTube channel is also a great way to get going. You can choose a niche or a theme such as travel is a really, really good one, or fitness, things like that. And you can do just generic fitness or travel videos, have your affiliate links and make money that way. I will say that Faceless is a little bit harder to achieve sometimes. But it is a good way to get going if you don't want to show your face. And it's a little bit easier to do that than like a fan page or a theme page on social media, but you can do theme pages on Instagram or Facebook as well and still start to make money with those. But you're more likely to make money from a faceless channel on YouTube than Instagram. At least that's what I see from the data. I could be wrong. Someone else's experience could be different. One important thing to think about if you're looking at making money online and possibly starting a business is, do you want to do a physical product or a digital product? So digital products, of course, are easier. They're easier to create. They're easier to distribute. But some people do want to do physical products. So one of my subscriptions has a physical or a digital version. And then the subscription itself is fully digital with the option of a physical replenishment if they want to pay a little bit more. The benefit of going full digital, of course, you don't have to worry about shipping. You don't have to worry about tracking addresses, things like that. If you are shipping a physical product, it's a little bit more difficult, but not too hard with the right direction, right guidance. So subscription boxes are a great way to build out your business because it's recurring income, which we all love. They're really, really big right now. So there's a lot of information out there about them. And there's so many niches out there that you can pretty much build a subscription box for any niche. Now, there are a lot of ways to make money online that I have not even tapped into, but it can get really overwhelming when you start searching for ways to make money online. So my best tip to anybody who's looking to make money online is identify what your goal is and what you want to talk about. From there, you can kind of figure out what is the best business for me to build. And then from there, you can start looking at platforms to build it on. So let's say that your niche is cooking, right? Cooking is a really, really good one. It's one that's really, really popular. It's really easy to start a cooking channel on YouTube. It's really easy to then repurpose some of those videos to Pinterest as pins and as shorts. And then with that, you could have a digital cookbook. You can have a physical cookbook. You have a monthly subscription where they get X amount of new recipes a month, plus maybe your favorite tool. And then as you're using more bakeware and whatnot, you can get affiliate links usually for the bakeware and go ahead and start sharing those. And then you can start making money off of sales from what you recommended. So there's a lot of ways that these online money making models fall into place and actually feed into each other. And it's good to look into all of them because, again, you don't want to have just one income stream. When you start making money online, you're going to see very quickly how these things can all tie into each other. But you're not going to start making any money online if you don't start. So this is where a lot of people will say, pick one platform, pick one topic and go from there. I would say still go ahead and start posting to other platforms, but definitely when you have that one that you think is going to be the platform for you, focus more energy on that, get that one up and running, and then you can start looking at growing your other channels. But it doesn't hurt to be posting the other channels before you're really focusing on growing them, because sometimes they'll take off without you even really, noticing it. Last but not least, guys, like I said, there is a lot of information out there. I do, of course, have courses that I recommend because I've gone through them. I believe in the creators. I believe what they're doing is to actually help people, not just a smash and cash grab. And yes, there's going to be some sort of monetary investment as well as investment of time and energy into whatever it is you start, but be smart about it. Don't just jump on the first link that comes your way. And remember, there's going to be a lot of people out there once you start advertising that you have an online business reaching out to you. So I get a lot for other affiliate marketers who don't know how to market correctly, and I usually just block them. I get crypto a lot, which I'm not into. Crypto is another way to make money online. It's just not my theme. And then, of course, I get video editors, SEO experts, things like that reaching out to me. Now, is that necessarily a bad thing? Not really, because eventually down the road, I might need help in those areas, or I might need to outsource it because I just don't have time for it anymore. But again, these are people who are making money online, helping other people who are making money online. I would say really think about it. Write down, like I said, your goals, your why, your interests, and your platform that you really want to focus on, and then go from there. All right, guys, that is it. I hope this helps. If there's any specific way to make money online that I didn't cover that you're interested in, please do put it in the comments and I can make a follow-up video on this. So, if you like this video and this is the first time you're here, please do like and subscribe. If you know somebody who would enjoy this video, please do share it with them. My mission is to help everybody succeed with making money online. That way they can live their dream life. So we'll see you next time.